Assalamu alaikum pyare Hazur. My name is Hajra Kaisar and I'm from Leicester Jamaat. My question is, when we see a funeral of a non-Muslim passing on the road, what prayers can be recited for them?
You see, you can say, Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. You can pray for him that Allah forgives him if you know him. Otherwise, just pay respect to him. You see, once the funeral procession of a Jew was passing through, and the Holy Prophet ﷺ was standing there, was sitting there. He stood up in respect of that. The companion of the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, "Oh, see, he is not a Muslim, he is a Jew. Why have you stood up?" The Holy Prophet ﷺ says that he is a human being. So in respect of his funeral, I have to stand up. So this is how we should respect each other. Okay?
Jazakallah.